MBUX is the most advanced multimedia system ever developed by Mercedes-Benz. Smart, simple, and sophisticated, MBUX is sure to make interacting with your Mercedes-Benz almost effortless.
MBUX stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience and signifies how much development time was dedicated to understanding how users best interact with their vehicle. MBUX was designed from the ground up around a touch interface. That's why many of the input methods are touch-based, like the brand new touchscreen, the new touchpad, and the touch control buttons integrated into the steering wheel. The intuitive user interface ensures that the functions you interact with most are only a few swipes away. And what you're going to see is that there's not just one way to interact with the system. The driver will have multiple options to choose from, so they can use what works best for them and have a seamless user experience. First, the large central touchscreen is positioned close to the fingertips to increase ease of use. Using swiping gestures, pinch to zoom, and simple taps make it safe and easy to access the corresponding menus. The movable tiles of the home screen work hand in hand with the touch design. In addition to the new touchscreen, MBUX brings you the new center console touchpad. It functions very much like the display screen itself by using swipe gestures, pinch to zoom, and taps to access the menu options, all with haptic feedback. The touchpad also has integrated hard keys for going back a screen, changing audio tracks, and jumping back to the home screen. It also features improved handwriting recognition if you prefer to enter addresses or phone numbers in that manner. You can also access all the menus on the central display, as well as the digital instrument cluster with the safety and convenience of the new touch control buttons on the left and right sides of the steering wheel. Simply swipe up, down, left, or right and select by clicking the center of the pad. Press the home button to call up main functions, press the voice control button to use voice commands, and press the phone buttons to make or end phone calls on your Bluetooth connected phone. Last but definitely not least, MBUX also features the latest generation voice control system. With this new system, there's no need to remember specific commands. With natural language understanding, you can talk to the system like you would a friend, like this. We're gonna find some coffee nearby.
Please select an entry.
Voice control is even able to be woken up with just a keyword. So by simply saying, "Hey Mercedes,"
How can I help you?
or "Hi Mercedes,"
Hi there.
followed by the desired voice command, it will activate the system. "Hey Mercedes,
How can I help you?
call Ted."
Calling Ted on the mobile phone.
In addition to the intuitive interface, MBUX helps you keep track of all your settings in several ways. First, it allows you to save all of your unique personal settings like seat and side mirror settings, radio station presets, paired smartphones, and sound settings to your own profile. While some vehicles tie profiles to the key fob, limiting profiles to 1 or 2 users per vehicle, MBUX makes it possible to program up to 7 user profiles. This makes it convenient for more drivers to have access to all of their preferred settings at once, quickly, and easily. The intuitive design of MBUX uses artificial intelligence that learns your usage habits. By learning what you like to do on certain days of the week and even what times of the day, the system can create shortcuts to make your journey easier. So say you always listen to the same radio station on your way to work in the morning. A shortcut for that station will appear in the suggestions menu when you start your morning commute. How cool is that? Of course, you can choose to disable this feature should you want to.
As you can see, MBUX offers seamless integrated functionality for intuitive operation and super responsive performance. With MBUX, your Mercedes-Benz experience truly is the best or nothing. Talk with you soon.
Have a good one.
She always has the last word.